We are in front of this washing machine, and this is 8, 18 and 18 kilo. That's for drying. But I think we have some big bag of clothes. And Kavya, read how much we have to pay. I think it's 5.5. And please ensure that pockets are empty. Load to drawn. Okay. Do you think we have more space for the white one?
No, look at this. We should go for 8.
Okay, alright, let's go. Okay, open the door first.
I want to do that one.
Okay, you can do it. Jack, you can put the other one. So we, yeah. So we chose the program, and then it's just like we had to pay, register our number, and then after we loaded our clothes, we chose this program 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 40 36 minutes would be fine, and we press start, and it will give us a message when it's ready. Okay, let's go.
This is the drying machine, really big. It's 18 kg, and we're adding them all in. I guess. Last night.
Don't drop it.
It's on.
Pause, go and pause.
Wow, this is
Yeah, you want to go inside?
yeah.
Okay, close the door.
It's all dry.
Bistari. Okay. So 15 minutes.
No pain.
Actually, do you know this? You can scan that one. You can probably find out. Dry. 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Shall we do 30 minutes?
Yeah,
Maybe.
Oh yeah, 30.
Or maybe 15. And we can dry at home as well a little bit.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. No. Okay. So ready.
So now it's in while Mom is still paying some. Let's go to machine number 1. I want to press it.
That's fine.
No!
Now let's go, and we'll come back in 15 minutes.
These people! Because it's done now, and actually kind of feels warm. Oh my god.
That's true.
What am I doing? So it's finally done, and Jack, do you want to open it now? It's dry now, it's warm, it's perfect. Oh, are you okay, Jack?
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, it's done.
Okay. Is it warm? Okay. Let's do it.
Too warm.
Oh yeah, it's dry.
Now it is empty. Ah. I was gonna say, what demon?
Teamwork makes team.
Teamwork. I forgot.
Teamwork makes teamwork.
Teamwork is the dream work.
Okay, thank you. Get in the car.